Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to change your window level taskbar position. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, click on your start bar. Then after you click on your start bar, this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on personalization. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on Taskbar. So from the options right here, we have Taskbar by default to be center. You can decide to switch from here and click from here and then switch from center to another position. So I'm going to simply click on here and switch to left. And just like so, you can see my taskbar here has been switched to left. You can also go back here and switch it back to center. Everything depends on how you want to position your taskbar. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to reposition your taskbar on window level laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.